Good morning, treasurers. This is your host, Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. In the international market, the 10-year US Treasury yield rose above 1.3 percentage points for the first time in nearly a year on Tuesday, and the yield curve steepened. Reasons? Number 1, expectation of extended fiscal and monetary stimulus. Number 2, hopes of economic upswing. And number 3, expectation of higher inflation. We call this trade as reflation trade. US 10-year Treasury inflation protected securities or TIPS is now at 2.24. US 10-year benchmark is up 10 basis points trading at 130 percentage points, and 30-year is also up 8 basis points trading at 2.09 percentage points. Now we are very watchful, as if US 10-year stays above 130, it opens up a door for 150. Along with US, German 10-year bunds are now trading at minus 0.35 percentage points. In the crude oil market, crude is trading stable at $63.35 per barrel. Crude's short-term range seems to be 60 to 64. Crude is on the journey towards $70, which is our target. We will do a detailed coverage soon on why we may see crude at $100 per barrel in few years. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 90.64. As we mentioned in the yesterday's podcast, 90.20 acted as a strong support, and DXY has reversed from that level. DXY's today's range seems to be 90.04 to 90.76. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 646. USD INR with a low of 72.63 closed at 72.69 on Tuesday. USD INR's range seems to be at 72.60 to 72.90. Please note that USD INR for now could not close below 72.50, and the bulls found a reason to pull it back to 73 levels. In the domestic market, 515 GS 2025 closed at 555 versus 553 the previous trading day. 585 GS 2030 closed at 602 versus 602 the previous trading day. Please note that we have rolled over the benchmark from 577 to 585, and the bid-ask spreads are acceptable for trading now in 585 GS 2030. 16th February SDL auction cutoffs and their analysis. 5-year Assam closed at cutoff came at 621, 10-year Gujarat at 693, Tamil Nadu at 695, MP at 703, Rajasthan and West Bengal at 705, Assam at 707, and UP at 708. I repeat, 10-year UP at 708. Today, due to very high consistent borrowings by the UP state, the yields shoot up to 708, and in the secondary, it will be trading at 7.02. The SDL versus G-Sec spreads are now at 90 to 100 basis points, and it will continue to still trade higher. As there is no possibility of SDL OMOs in the near future, we expect SDLs to trade in 720 range very soon. For all the clients who had listened to us and waited to buy SDLs for now, are reaping the benefits in SDL, putting and reinvesting their money above 7%. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with a new episode of Night Snippets.